Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up MySelfie in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. And then we tap on the settings icon. And here if we scroll down under my account, we find MySelfie. We can tap on this and then we can create our MySelfie by tapping on create MySelfie. And this is going to use our camera to take a picture of our face, and then after it has taken a picture or basically scanned our face, it's going to be able to create AI content based on this. We can create a lot of fun little videos from ourselves, from our friends, and create Snapchats just like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.